Ito ba yung pa-under ng HR? Hindi totoo yung meeting with Mr. President? Gawa-gawa lang yung survey na yun?
I wanted to do something special for you.
Bakit po?
To apologize.
Ang cute na, no? Miss, laro kami. Late na rin. Uwi na tayo. Sobra ko pong na-appreciate yung pagpapasara niyo po ng amusement park. Pero okay na po sa akin kahit mag-sorry lang po kayo.
I hate losing Secretary Kim. We should call him Karabay.
Sobra na po to. Apology accepted po, boss.
Kulang pa nga eh.
Surprise! Your brother is home.
Don't leave me. Please.
Okay lang po ba kayo, boss?
Just forget about what I said.
Copy.
There you are. Can you please remind Brandon about our lunch date tomorrow? Hindi niya ako sinasagot.
Huwag mo kasing kulitin. Brandon's a very busy man. Huwag natin siyang istorbohin. Okay?
Robert, this is not the time to play favorites. Bihira na nga lang mabuo yung pamilya natin. Pwede naman bang sumaya tayo?
Don't leave me.
Ano, pangiti-ngiti ka dyan, bro. So, I suppose nakumbinsin mo na si Sir Kim. Stay na siya?
Hindi pa kami nag-uusap.
Jesus, hina mo naman, bro.
Just you wait, bro. Any moment now, babawiin na ni Sir Kim yung resignation niya. I'm sure of it.
Hi, Troy. I got your text. Sige, kahit wag mo na ako sunduin, magkita na lang tayo somewhere.
Sure. Basta it's a date, ha?
Sige. It's a date. See you.
May date ka, Sir Kim? OMG, are you guys okay? Grabe, okay na. I think shopping tayo. Pwede.
Relax lang. First date ko pa lang to eh. Tsaka, pwede bang sa atin na lang muna?
Of course! Sir Kim!
You can trust us. Ikaw pa ba?
Uy, pero, Sir Kim, hindi mo sa tinatakot kita, ha? Iba na ang dating scene ngayon. It's a lot of pressure. Kaya bilang best friend mo dito sa office.
Best friend?
Beshi! Kasama kita. I will be your guide. Kaya sabihin mo dyan kay Troy, magsama siya ng friend niya para double date tayo.
Miss Sarah, salamat sa offer, pero kaya ko naman yung sarili ko. Ako na lang to. Sige, mauna na ako. Bye.
Una na rin kami, Miss Sarah. See you. Sayang.
Good morning.
Good morning, boss. Ready na po pala yung press release for the upcoming intercompany tournament, the Palarong Pistahan. As you requested, in-incorporate na rin po nila yung Love Local campaign natin. Excited na rin nga po yung buong department. And ito na rin po pala yung updated list ng guest speakers for the IDX event. For your approval na rin po yan.
Is that all? Wala ka bang nakakalimutang sabihin?
Binawi ko na rin po pala.
Now we're talking.
Po?
Go on. I'm listening.
Binawi ko na rin po yung commitment natin sa partnership meeting with ACN Pharma since meron po silang intellectual property issues with some of their products.
That's it?
Opo. May hinihintay pa po ba kayo ibang update, boss?
No. Wala naman. Thank you.
Excuse po.
Dikit natin ng konti para hindi nakaharap. Yan. Lovey. Yan ang suot mo.
It's just lunch, Carlota. Eh, dapat ba magbarong pa ako?
It's a special day. Lovey naman, kahit for me na lang, magbihis ka naman.
I'm not interrupting anything.
Oh, anak! Oh, kaya po. Ba't ngayon ka lang? Kahapon pa kita hinihintay.
Si Brandon.
Hayaan mo na siya. He's at work. Ano ba solo ka naman namin today? Lovey!
Kimberly, ako nang bahala dito. Ayusin mo na lang ang minutes of the meeting para ma-email ko na kay boss. Thank you.
Secretary Kim,
Oh, the OG po ba or me?
both of you. I think we're done for the day. Pwede na kayong umuwi.
Wala pa pong 5 p.m., boss.
3, 2, and office hours are finally over. Enjoy your free time. I'm serious. Just send me the summary for all our meetings tomorrow. Bukas ko pa naman babasahin.
You're the best boss ever, titiwala, Miss Kim!
Ingat.
Bye-bye po!
See? I listen.
Ang weird ng boss mo, ha? Pabago-bago ng mood. Kahapon ng gabi, sabi mo, sobrang galit na galit siya. Tapos kanina, sobrang okay yung mood niya, good mood siya. Buti naman talaga, nag-resign ka na dyan.
Eh, pero mga ate, sa 9 years namin magkasama, doon ko lang siya nakitang galit na galit.
Kanino siya galit? Sa'yo?
Hindi ko alam eh, pero parang may nag-trigger na lang bigla. Parang gumanon na lang.
Pero pero sabi ko nga, no? Mag-focus na lang tayo dun sa date mo, si Troy. Di ba, ate?
Unang iisipin niyang boss mo dahil isa siyang malaking red flag.
Baka red flag tagging naman to. Baka naman may pinagdadaanan lang, ate.
Baka naman colorblind ka lang. Binabaliktad-baliktad mo yung mga kulay eh. Yung red flag naging green flag.
Aray ko naman.
Salamat.
Don't be such a slave driver, Philip. Sinasakim nga, pinauwi ko na eh. Kanina pa.
Oh, bakit? No. Pinag-early out na kita kahapon, di ba?
Oo nga po. Wala naman po akong sinasabi, boss. Happy nga po ako eh. At least, may personal time po si Sekim. Yan ko lang po kasi narinig na makikipag-date daw po siya.
Date? When? Where?
Okay. I think sharing time's over. Mabuti pa eh, pare-print mo na lang to. Ito naman, sobrang labo. Mababasa ko ba yan?
Ulitin ko po.
Sige ha. Please, please. Friendly date lang yun, I'm sure.
I mean, it's her life. If Sekim wants to go on a date, then wala akong pakialam.
Mukha nga.
what? I'm serious.
Okay, very good. Anyway, you obviously came here to talk about something. So,
And besides, after ng blockbuster date namin, trust me, no man will ever measure up kay Sek Kim.
okay, noted. Thank you for sharing. We shall get back to work. Okay lang.
Kim,
Troy,
long time no see.
long time no see.
Wow, you look great. Last time we saw each other was
College graduation pa yata yun.
college graduation. Wow, mahaba-haba palang catch-up to. Kumain kaya muna tayo.
Sige, saan?
Ikaw,
Ako?
ikaw, saan gusto?
Depende. Ikaw may gusto ka ba?
Kahit saan. Hindi naman ako pinikat.
So wala kang pinlano?
More of a go with the flow kind of guy.
Sige, ako na lang yung bahala. Ito ba yung paandar ng HR? Gawa-gawa lang yung survey na yun?
I'm just being resourceful.
Hello, this is Kimberly Luwanag. Magpapareserve po kami, table for 2. Yes, ngayon na po. Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Banda rito, ha? Dito ka ba madalas nagde-date?
As if may time ako.
May slave driver ba tong si boss?
Hindi naman. Driven lang. Troy,
Pero, kahit masarap to, iba pa rin talaga kung nasa Korea ka na mismo. Kasi, ang layo ng difference. You been there? Korea? I've been there a couple of times. Twice or thrice na siguro. And every time na I go there, talagang makikita mo kung gaano kalayo ang quality of living. The food speaks for itself. I mean, I love spicy food. I don't know if you like spicy food, but I love spicy food. Siguro that's why malakas ako sa tubig. Sorry. Thank you. Understaffed sila ngayon, ha? Kuya!
ibaba mo na yan. Ako na tatawag. Waiter, isang tubig nga po. Thank you.
Like I was saying, spicy food. If you like spicy food, another good place to go to, Thailand. Kung hindi Thailand, Singapore, okay. Well, speaking in terms of like Asia, if you like Asian, spicy Asian food, those are the best places. I've been to Singapore. Every time that I'm there, and I have
real dreams.
Uy bro, sino tinatawagan mo?
Sec Kim. What? I need my schedule for tomorrow.
Labo mo bro. Kanina lang sabi mo done for the day. Uuwi ka na nga dapat eh. Tapos ngayon may date lang si Kim, kinukulit mo na. Why won't you just send her an email, Aber?
This is not about her date. Baka siya yung sumagot.
Eh, nasa date nga kasi, bro. And besides, you know how dates usually end, right?
Pindutin mo ulit.
Troy, pwede ba akong bigyan ng favor?
Sure.
May hinahanap kasi akong bata. Nung late 90s, dinukot siya sa may Santa Rosa. Baka pwedeng matulungan ako ng team mo sa news department.
Hindi talaga sasagot siya kasi nakikipagkwentuhan yan.
Sige, email mo sa akin yung details and then I'll check kung may nakakaalam regarding.
Sige, email ko na ngayon. Boss?
Sec Kim, why aren't you answering your phone?
Bakit ho, boss?
Nasaan ka ba? Kanina pa kita tinatawagan. I need you.
Boss, nasa labas lang po ako. Bakit may... Ay!
In fairness, may tsura yung kasama. Uy, hindi, joke lang. Uy, pangit pala.
Hurry up. It's an emergency.
Bro, calm down. Hindi ka muna malalim. Tsaka hindi mo alam kung nasan sila eh.
Bakit ho, boss?
I know where they are.
Hindi naman kaya you are a bit overreacting. Mukha naman mabait yung lalaki.
Well, I don't trust the guy. Nakita mo naman naputol yung tawag, di ba? What if may masamang balak yung guy kay Sec Kim? Ma-disgrasya si Sec Kim, ma-hold up, or worse, ma-inlap. I have to go. Asan na ba yung kotse?
Balik na lang tayo. Ito na, oh. Umikot na yung pinto ko. Are you sure? Ayaw mong ihatid kita? Hindi ka na nga anak masundo.
Okay lang. Out of the way na rin kasi.
Ba't ganyan tingin mo?
Sorry, no OC lang talaga ako eh. Ayusin ko ha.
Secretary Kim!